Hello and welcome to my channel. Listen, we have been blessed with a lot of rain, but with that blessing, thank God, it comes with a price. Grass in the garden. And I have been fighting grass in the garden. And I finally got the garden where I wanted to be, but in the rows, I actually need to, it's really bad in the path of the rows. And the garden hoe is the best tool, one of the best tools you can use, but there's only so much work I am willing to do with this garden hose. I don't know how much chopping I can take. And I'm gonna tell you one thing with a garden hose, nothing against it, but it can work the dog crap out of you. So I would think this is a job for a tiller. Listen, if you don't have a tiller, Home Depot, there are places that will actually rent out a tiller or borrow one from a friend that owes you money. How about that? Anything better than using this. So let's get started. Mm. Now, this is the tiller that I am using, and you can use any tiller. It doesn't matter what size tiller, and really to me, it doesn't make a difference on the size, just as long as you have a tiller. And what I'm gonna do is just adjust my wheels here. I'm just gonna move my wheel out of the way. And what I'm gonna do is set my anchor, what I call the stake here. I'm gonna set it where I want it. And it's gonna help me to control my tiller. I think that would do. That's a good height for me. It'll help you control the speed. And if it goes too fast, I can just slow it down, or I can lift it up if I want to speed up. If I want to slow it down, I just put it in the ground, a little further in the dirt, just to slow it down. If I want to speed up, I just lift it up. Just a little bit, just to speed it up. But like I said again, it doesn't matter. It's not the size, it's just in how you use it and what you want to use it for. See, I have a pretty old tiller. And I would say if you're going to use the tiller for a while, it wouldn't hurt to wear a good pair of gloves. Try to not let your blade build up so much grass, because it's gonna put a load on your blade, and it'll actually put a load on your belt. So of course there's going to be some grass on your blade, but you don't want it to build up to the point that it actually puts a load on your belt. And then if you put a load on your belt, it's going to put a load on your engine. Well, turned out pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, with my tiller, all tillers are different. Now with my tiller, I have the star, the ankle here, I call, and it's going to leave a trail. And if I don't like that, actually I can just take a garden rake, go over it, and actually just rake out the grass that's on top and actually cover up the hole. And I have once used this trench. I didn't have it so deep, but I actually used it to plant turnip greens in for the fall. When I come through and I clean out grass in the fall, and I actually leave it open, I just plant turnip greens in it. And I don't even cover it up. I just leave it like that. And I have the best turnip greens ever. Well, I hope this video was helpful. And keep in mind, all tillers are totally different. So just get a tiller and just learn that tiller, and you and that tiller get along just fine and perfect. Listen, it's a lot better than using a garden hoe. And there are some spots you have to use a garden hoe. You notice, like where the squash was, I'm gonna have to probably use it in those areas, but at least I don't have to use it on the whole garden. That's what this video is all about. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Take care, and God bless.